Welcome back to Dad Bods and Hot Rods Garage. On today's episode, we pick up a 1991 Plymouth Laser RS Turbo from a local junkyard that had been there for decades. Pressure wash it, we take it back to my buddy's house. He's going to be using it as a parts car for his 1991 Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive. Years ago, Tyler had an accident. He hit a deer and it smashed up the front of his car a little bit, and he spent a long time trying to put that back together, and this car is going to be perfect for providing him all the parts he's going to need to fix up and finish up his car. We're pretty excited about it, so enjoy the show. And here it is at its new home. 4G63 turbo. Looks pretty good after we pressure washed it. And it is now the donor car for this one. This one had a front end accident and it's undergoing some upgrades, engine build, rear suspension build, converting from manual to automatic. Tyler's had this car for 20 plus years. There's the built motor for it. Thank you once again for watching Dad Bods and Hot Rods Garage. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time.